Miles, put the cup down and eat your green beans.
I'm gonna go upstairs. Good night.
Good night now.
Wait, let me see what on. Let me see what on you put.
I gotta take my pill.
I said put the cup down and eat your green beans.
I'm gonna get my mouth.
Okay. Good job.
No, it's going on. I just probably need to take it for
I
another
did
day.
it.
Oh no, it says 7
You
days.
still have more green beans to eat.
It's good.
Green beans, not
You
eat
season
them.
these green beans?
Yeah.
That's good.
Eat the green beans.
You eat food.
You better watch your mouth.
You better watch your mouth.
Miles, eat the green beans.
I gotta get the cookies. It looked like you made a gingerbread man. All these shorts just broke it.
It's not broke. Eat the green bean.
You don't get
Don't smash it. Put it in your mouth.
This is a bowl, Mommy.
No, they're not broke.
Here is a bowl.
You don't need a bowl. Eat the green beans.
Eat the greens. It's taco.
Yeah, because you refuse to eat the chicken. Stop playing with your food.
Uh-huh. If I feel like this open it here. Over by lemon. You got that the money.
Mariah, sit down. Finish eating your food.
I'm done. Not done yet.
Stop putting your hand on the glass. Miles Anthony, what am I going to do with you? Finish eating your food, please.
Boo.
Boo to you.
Boo.